Taking good care of your Gourmet to Expert electric skillet will allow it to serve you for a very long time. Always clean the pan and lid thoroughly after use. Leaving foods in the pan may corrode the pan, or the food may become difficult to remove. Do not use metal utensils such as spatulas or forks that may scratch the non-stick coating. The lid knob can be removed easily with a flathead screwdriver if water gets inside. Make sure not to tighten it too much when putting it back together. The plastic body can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. Wipe the heating plate with a damp cloth also. Food stuck on the heating plate will disrupt heat distribution to the pan and may cause uneven cooking. If food is burnt onto the heating plate, use a fine sandpaper, dip it in water, and carefully polish the food off. Never soak the body in water. Do not use a dishwasher or dish dryer. Dry completely before storing. Stack everything together when storing. If your Gourmet to Expert electric skillet comes with 2 plates, place a soft material such as a cloth in between the 2 plates and make sure the handles overlap to prevent the plates from becoming scratched. While we take great care in using materials that are as durable as possible, without proper care, the non-stick coating may get scratched and begin to peel. The non-stick coating material used on all Zojirushi products follow all FDA guidelines. We believe that it is chemically stable and cannot be absorbed into the body even if ingested. We take pride in the products we manufacture and sell under the Zojirushi name and ensure that only the best products reach your homes.